Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to easily organize your garage by installing a pegboard or an organizer board onto your garage wall. So this is a very easy project to do. All you need is some simple tools, and the materials that I'll be showing you today will be on the description down below. So if you need any materials that I've used throughout this video, just look at the link down below and just click on the link and you'll know exactly what tools I use. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below so that you can always be in tune with what's going on with my house project, and also easy DIYs that you can do at home by yourself to save you money. So the product I'll be using today is wall control. These pegboards are made in the USA. So on the first box is the complete kit, which is the 3 pegboards and all the hardware that you need. But I did buy an extra 2 sets of pegboards, which is on this box, which I'll be both unboxing later. So if you want to skip along the unboxing, you can go straight ahead to the install. But the first part, let's go and open the box and see what's inside. It already comes with some trays, 3 pegboards, and these are all made out of metal. Got the hardware, more attachments. Already comes with the hook attachments, another attachment. The initial kit came with 3 metal pegboards. Came with an instruction, but I did end up buying an extra additional 2 pegboards, which has the same instructions and also comes with hardware. You can get these in different colors. I happen to choose black because that is the theme of my garage. I have black drawers and all that stuff, and also a black table right there with a wooden top. So this would accent perfectly onto my wall. So to do this install, what you will need is a tape measure, a pencil, stud finder if needed, and also a leveler so that you can make sure that your panels are going to be nice and straight. I choose this one because it's a lot easier on my hands and you won't get tired so easily. Okay, so you need a Phillips bit and you should be good to go. Here are the 3 pegboards that came initially with the kit. Each pegboard is 16 inches by 32. If you total everything together, everything should total up to 48. So if you put all 5 panels together, it should measure up to 80 inches. So that's what we're going to be measuring onto the wall. Now if everything is perfect, we're going to install all 5 panels. First, let's measure out how much we can put from here all the way to this whole wall right here. Now you can orient this any way you want. You can put this vertical wise, horizontal wise. It's totally how you want to do it. It's totally customizable because each panel has its own hardware inserts and it comes with a lot of hardware. So looking at my wall here, I measured it and it looks like it measures up from 71 inches from end to end, and total of the 5 panels including that one is a total of 80. So I'm gonna be over 8 inches. So depending on how you want it, for me, I think I'm just gonna stick with 4 panels, and that's gonna total up to approximately 62 3/4 or 63. I can find another use to hang this somewhere in my garage, probably on this wall right here, but yeah, 4 panels should suffice on this wall. So wall control made these panels 16 inches, which is perfect because each stud is 16-inch centers. So mine, you can tell where they screwed on the drywall. If you don't have that, you can use a stud finder just like this one. Now this one is from Zircon, and I can leave the link down below where you can get a stud finder just like this one. Very easy to use. All you gotta do is set it on deep scan or scan. And this one, it does detect voltage as well. So it has a AC scanner, which you can tell that right there, if you press on the button, it detects voltage, which is really nice and very safe to use. So very easy, just put it against the wall, press the button, and start sweeping left to right. So on this one, you can tell that right there. So there's a stud right there. Mark that position and then keep going right there. So that from that mark to that mark should be 16-inch center. If you don't have a stud that will conform to the measurement of here, there's also a drywall stud insert where you can attach it anywhere. But I highly suggest you install it to a stud because it will be a lot more sturdier and it won't pop off in the long run. Now I just temporarily leaned this against the wall to find out which height that I want this on installed to the wall. Now depending on what height you are, for me I am 5'8", so obviously I don't want to put it way too up there up on my wall so that I won't be able to reach it. So I believe that leaving about 5 inches from my table up here would suffice for my height and for my liking. So with that, it's totally up to you how high you want to place these panels. So now I'm going to take my first panel, line it up to my line. Make sure that the edge of your panel meets to the center of each stud. You're going to use your leveler to make sure that it's nice and straight on the side and also at the top. I suggest that if you have a second hand or if you have somebody to help you hold this up while you do the screwing on each of the corners, highly recommended, so it'll be a lot easier for you. Other than that, you can do it one by one. Now to make it easier for myself to screw in those screws, what I'm doing is I'm putting a 1/8 inch drill bit to make pilot holes like that, and that should make the screws go in a lot easier. Do the same thing for each one that touches the stud. Now if you come to a part where where it doesn't quite match up to the stud and you just reach drywall, use one of the inserts, place it in right there, and just tap this in. Make sure that it's level and then screw it right through. Get your second panel and line it up to your already installed one, just like that. Get your leveler, place it on top of both of them, and then screw it right on. Now it's totally up to you if you want to keep it like this style, where it's butted up to each other directly, or it's up to you if you want to space it out. It's totally up to you. So in this case, I want them all joined together, and that's pretty much it. Continue on each side. There you have it, guys. I got it all installed, nice and leveled. It matches with the color scheme of my garage setup right here, which is black. Leave in the comment section below what you guys think of this steel powder coated black wall control pegboard. So it also comes with all these accessories right here. It comes with the various types of hooks that you can use for like these, like hooking up different kind of tools, and I'll hook up some tools later on so you guys will see what it's used for. It comes with these little bins right here, comes with a shelf, a good one for your drill, another nice shelving right there. So let's put some of these on and see what they look like with the tools all hung up. So these hooks right here are very easy to move around. So if you choose to place it right here like that, and you choose to move it later on, just push it up and then slide it out and then reposition it just like that. Super easy. Now with the hooks being limited on the kit that was given to you, I can only hang a few items. What I did was I also bought more. I'll leave the link down below where I got some more of these hooks. It comes with a few more trays as well, as you can see, and these you can insert right onto the holes easily. Now these hooks are fairly easy to put on. All you gotta do is hook it onto the hook to the holes just like that. So once again guys, thank you for tuning into the channel. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button. Please press that subscribe button down below so you can always be in tune with what's going on with my projects on the house, the garage, and my future projects as well. Once again, if you're interested on this product, which is wall control, I'll leave the link down below where you can buy this product and also the tools that I use throughout this video. Leave in the comment section down below what you guys think of this setup. Again, I love it because now it matches with my work table, and yeah, you can find this product in various colors. There are many options to choose from, and I'll leave all those options down below as well. Thank you guys. I'll see you on to the next video.